Hello to the judges of the Farm Bureau Ag Innovation Challenge. Thank you very much for this opportunity to present our company. The reason why we started this company, the story is a touching story. My mother was terminally ill. I needed to find a solution. I found the solution in Italy. Against all odds, I convinced her to go to Italy for medical treatment. When we got there, we knew beforehand that they could save her life, but it was a risk. When we got there, they saved her life. And during the process of 30 days that I was in Italy with this medical team, I learned of other technologies that they had. And one of the technologies that I learned about was an agricultural technology, but they had no one to represent them to bring it to the world. They had asked me, seeing that I had a business background, an accounting background, a forensic accounting background, and they felt very comfortable with me, and they asked me if I would help them to research the possibility of bringing this forward. That was in 2014, actually February, March of 2014. Bring it forward. We finished the technology October 19, 2019, after all the research and development. And the millions of dollars that were invested, mainly most of it personal or guaranteed personally by me, to bring this technology forward. The technology was then completed, and the biggest challenge that we had is getting the agricultural industry to recognize this as a technology that would change agriculture for the better. Because the reality is, this micro transmitter holds hundreds of programs that turn out to be thousands of frequencies, mathematical algorithmic equations that were recorded from the environment that then are played back to the environment in order to balance the environment. It's a very highly sophisticated technical science that requires a combination of transmitters following this schedule. And the transmitters are a color scheme of various power levels of transmitters in a certain order, in a certain number, to accommodate every single possible installation throughout the entire world of every single irrigating farmer. This challenge was only going to become overcome. It will only be overcome by doing more science throughout the world. So we launched last year the 1,000 scientific trial program that's been working phenomenal and getting recognized by groups like yourselves that this technology is the future of farming and will help sustain farming and help the health crisis around the world. And so what we plan on doing with the money is then taking that money and putting it back into another challenge, and basically challenging university students in the ag departments around the country to come up with more testing and validation for the Kiminasi plant booster technology. And basically, first prize would be like 30,000, second prize would be 15,000, and third prize would be 5,000. And that's the way we would pay it forward by taking our prize money and forwarding it to other students to further the science. Thank you very much for this opportunity to present to you. I look forward to your response.